Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product empties video. I've seen Whitney Simmons do a couple of these on her channel and I find them really great and really entertaining. So I have a couple of products, most of them are cosmetics and beauty products, and I have bought them with my own money. I've been using them until they're fully empty, and I'm going to give an honest review on whether I think they were worth the money and whether I would buy them again, or if I just wasn't that impressed. I hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a like and please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I know it can be super difficult to know what is worth your money and what is not, especially when you see ads for it constantly coming up on your feed and on your stories. I always get really stressed when I'm trying to decide if I want to try something new or stick to something I know. If it's not broken, don't fix it. If I really like a product, I will probably buy it again. I'm so loyal. Hopefully this video can help you make up your mind if you wanted to try some of these products. I'll just give you my reactions. Let's jump straight into the first product. The first product I have is the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk. I started buying this last summer because I wanted to have some sort of tan, but I didn't want to be putting on instant tanner every week or every couple of days because I wasn't going anywhere. I bought it on ASOS the first time and I fell in love. Bondi Sands is amazing. And I know loads of people use it, and they brought out their new range, the Pure range, recently, which I'm dying to try. But because I had this in the house, I obviously wanted to finish it. Personally, I know everyone has different opinions on how things smell, but I quite like it. It's quite coconutty, quite buttery. Basically clear when you put it on. You can't really see how it's going to develop, but the color is really nice and you can layer it up. So you could do one layer today, one layer tomorrow, and then you'll have a nice color. I wear it quite often and it's definitely become a staple for me in my self-care routine. And it is a body moisturizer as well, so it doesn't just tan you, it also makes you feel really smooth. It is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E for healthy glowing skin, and it glides on effortlessly for a long-lasting golden tan every time. Can you go wrong? Their branding is fantastic. But definitely wash your hands because in between your fingers will get very orange and it will kind of like clump there and stick, and maybe stick to some dry patches. I think the best thing for this is just to keep moisturizing in between. Have just a plain moisturizer, one that's not tinted, and put it on directly after your shower. I find this a really great product and I love it. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. The next products I have are the Kérastase hair products. These ones are meant for long hair, to help you grow your hair and have healthy lengths. I wasn't really that impressed considering the price. You usually buy them from your hairdresser or you can buy them online, but they are always recommended to me and I see so many influencers and people using the Kérastase products online. So I was dying to try them, I was really excited, but I just didn't really notice anything special. I mean, it washed it and made it clean. It didn't really feel nice or make it shiny in any way, especially when I compare it to the likes of Olaplex, which I've been using a lot recently and I think is amazing for hair. I love the Olaplex products, and you are supposed to switch it up every now and again, but for maybe 3 out of 4 weeks of the month I will use Olaplex products. This one is described as a length strengthening shampoo and it's hair seeking healthy length. I was looking to grow my hair and it actually has grown pretty well. I'm pretty happy with how it looks at the moment, but I don't think that the shampoo really had anything to do with it. It didn't feel any different to the drugstore shampoos that you buy in Boots or in the supermarket that cost you about $3.50. I don't think I would buy them again. Maybe they're just not suitable for my hair. I think there's other products out there that are much better and a similar price point. If these work for you, I'm happy for you, but I didn't love them and I don't think I would buy them again. Cute packaging though, very pretty. Next. So I just thought that I would follow up on those with another product from the L'Oreal brand. This one is from the L'Oreal Professional range. It is really nice for the price. Honestly, I was so impressed. It is a B6 and biotin enforcer hair mask. So it's meant to make it sleek and hydrated and makes your hair really shiny. It does everything that it says on the tin. I think for the price, €16, thereabouts. It might be cheaper for a smaller pot, more expensive for a bigger one. I was recommended it by someone at work. Honestly, I was really surprised because it's a range that you don't see that often. I got it on Look Fantastic, where you can find so many hair products. They have such a big selection. It's so hard to choose, but I was very drawn to this one because I know that B6 and biotin are very good for hair growth. They're also really great supplements to take. I take a biotin supplement because, like I said, I was very invested in trying to grow my hair, so I buy them in Holland & Barrett's if you're wondering. The supplements are small and you can take 2 to 3 a day. Don't quote me on that. I love this hair mask. Like I said, it lasts a really long time. This pot is bigger than it looks, and you can get an even bigger one for just slightly more money. More bang for your buck? I say yes to this product. Okay, this product is from Rituals. It is the amazing scent, the Ritual of Sakura. It is organic rice milk and cherry blossom sensational foaming shower gel. Now let me tell you, I was gifted this as part of a set for my birthday. The Rituals products smell amazing, feel amazing, look amazing. They're so luxurious. I mean, if it wasn't $9.50 for a bottle, I would buy this again. It felt so nice on the skin, it foams in your hands, and then when you wash yourself, you can just see your skin enjoying the shower, the massage. The Rituals products in this range smell incredible. So if you're someone who really likes to smell nice and really likes to come out of the shower feeling fresh and really clean, then you will love this. But like I said, it's very expensive, and I'm not sure I can fork out $9.50 just for my shower gel, especially when I shower every single day. So I would go through it quite quickly, and I don't know if it will be worth it then. My boyfriend tried it and he loved it too, and he doesn't even have a sense of smell, so if you are looking to treat someone or treat yourself, then 100% get this. Get it, girl. The only problem with Rituals is that you want to buy more. Honestly, that's all I can say about it. Yeah, if you need to treat someone, get them a Rituals gift set. They're so nice. Ah. I couldn't do this video without talking about the Inky List. I recently tried them on Hiram's recommendation. I love his skincare channel, and he was comparing them to The Ordinary, and I was very curious because I really like The Ordinary, but I thought, why not try the Inky List? It's available at Boots, look fantastic. Obviously the Inky List website itself. And I fell in love with this moisturizer. It's the Peptide moisturizer, and it says helps reduce the signs of aging. You can use it AM and PM on cleansed skin. You apply a pea-sized amount to the face and neck, and you apply it after your serums. Packaging is just so clean, and it's very affordable. I really like this product. It has one of those pumps that when you press down, the product is taken from the bottom all the way up. So, you know, like those fancy tall tubes of Colgate toothpaste, you just make sure that you get every last drop. I'm thinking of doing an entire video dedicated to the Inky List because I bought a lot of things from the range when I ordered, and I've been trying them out for a while now, and there's quite a few that I really enjoy. But this one I have just repurchased because I love how it feels on the skin. It's really lightweight and it looks great under makeup. It doesn't pill, and it layers over serums really well. This moisturizer genuinely feels like it is hydrating my skin. When I do my skincare in the morning, I really look forward to using it. It's definitely become one of my favorite products. I'm not an expert on skincare at all, so I would just like to say that my skin is combination, it's acne prone. This product might not work for you, but I do find that it doesn't break me out. It's not heavy on the skin. It doesn't irritate my skin. My skin can be quite sensitive, particularly around the nose and the mouth. Like I said, it's acne prone. I don't like to use anything that stings or causes inflammation. It feels way more expensive than it is, and I've bought it again, so this one is a keeper. You want to use products that soak into your skin and leave you feeling glowy and fresh. Am I right? So the last product I'm going to talk about is the Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. This is a tinted hydrating gel cream, and it has SPF 30 in it. It is in the shade Buttercream 03. I honestly bought this just on a whim. I didn't want to wear such heavy makeup, especially working from home. I just wanted a little bit of coverage for when I'm on calls, and just to wake me up a little bit. My face can look quite grey and washed out sometimes, especially in Ireland where the weather is grey and washed out. So I wanted some sort of tinted moisturizer or CC cream that would just cover up the redness, cover up the under eye bags, cover up a little bit of the greyness, and bring some light and youth and glowiness to my face. This does everything. I think it's fantastic. It goes on really easily over my sun cream, so I basically wear double SPF, which I think is good. I'm hoping it's good, extra protection. I really like this colour. If you put it on in a thin layer, it matches my natural colour, and then if I layer it up with maybe just a little bit more and use the beauty blender, then it matches me when I'm wearing my gradual tanner. But yeah, when you don't want a really heavy full coverage, BB cream, CC cream or tinted moisturizer is all you need. If you are the type of person who has oily skin, this might not be for you because it does create oil throughout the day. I do find that I have to powder my face a couple of times, especially because I'm layering it over sun cream. It can make me look just a little bit shiny, a little bit greasy, which I don't hate. I don't really mind too much, it doesn't bother me, but if that is something that bothers you, this is not a matte product, and there are other matte products on the market that you could buy that would suit you a lot better. It doesn't break me out and it feels really nice on the skin. I think it is just enough coverage for working from home and day-to-day use. I like this product for my skin. It doesn't break me out, it makes me look glowy, and it has SPF in it, so I think I am winning. The one thing that's difficult online these days is to try and foundation match. There are some really good tools online where you can check your shade. I might link one in the description box below. It really helped me. But yeah, when I'm trying to match shades across brands, I get so lost. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not bashing these brands or these products, just some of them aren't my favorite and some of them I love. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel for more. And I will talk to you next time. Ciao!